Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Trends for SEO. So the Google Trends is a powerful tool that can provide valuable insight into search trends over time. So here I've already opened the Google Trends on my browser, and as you guys can see here, you can explore what the world, for example, is searching for right now, so you can know what the hottest topic in the world. So by understanding these trends, you can optimize your content strategy to rank higher in search engine result pages, or the SERPs. So the keys of Google Trends for SEO is that first, you can identifying trending topics. For example, in here I'm going to find the certain topics in my country. For example, you can use a certain keyword in here, or you can also click on explore in here, and you can add a search term, or you can see the current or the trending topics here, or the queries you can see in my country. For example, in here I'm going to find a search term on, let's say, TikTok. You can hit on enter, and in here you can see the Google Trends is showing the chart, the interest over time in here in the form of graph. You can also see interest by sub-regions in here, and also related topics and related queries. So you can also change the time and also the the place where you want to search the trends. I'm going to go with my country in here, and for the past 7 days, for example, which is more updated in here, and you can also choose the categories in here and the web search. So you can identify the popular keywords. You can find out what people are searching for in here, and by using the Google Trends, you can also stay ahead of the curve. You can create content around trending topics to attract a more organic traffic. Here you can go to home if you want to know what is currently trending here on my country, Indonesia. You can see here, and if you want to, you can click on search it, and you can use this trending topic to create your own content. And you can also identify emerging trends. You can spot new opportunities for content creations, like I said before. And the second one is keyword research, like the one I showed you before. If you want to find related terms, you can just click on a search in here, type in the search term in here, and here you can also discover relevant keywords and phrases to target in your content. You can analyze the search volume. It will determine the popularity of different keywords. And the third one, you can identify seasonal trends, so you can understand when certain keywords are searched more frequently in here. So you can also use the Google Trends for content optimization. You can time your content or publish your content when it's most relevant to the trending topics. Like I said before, you can see what's currently trending, and you can directly create a video or maybe an article related to the topic. And you can also here tailor your message. You can adjust your content to match the current interest of your target audience. And don't forget to stay relevant, so you can update existing content to incorporate trending keywords. So I have tips for effective use of the Google Trends. Don't forget to combine with other tools. You can use Google Trends in conjunction with keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush. You can also experiment with different time frames here, like I showed you before. You can analyze the search term over various periods, like for example, I searched for TikTok before, and here you can see this is the past 12 months. You can change the different time frames, for example, past 30 days in here. So just analyze it to how you like it in here. And don't forget to consider the geographic variations, like this one in here in different region. You can also change the country, or you can use a worldwide search. And don't forget to pay attention to the rising trends, so identify emerging topic that may have potential for growth. So that's all for me. I hope these tips are helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on